Hey guys, my name's Max. This is the video that I promised you guys from the Facebook page. So let's jump right into it. I realized that you guys did not have a website, so I'm going to use this website that I have created just as an example to kind of show you how it works, because we can always build you a website or you can apply these to the website that you're building now, and I think that it would really be worth it. So this is a website here in Tallahassee. Obviously it's for painters that I built, and the general gist is to rank for these select keywords. And what I mean by ranking is coming in either this number 1 or 2 spot here organically, as well and or in this Google Map Pack here, because this down here it gets about 50% of the people that are actively searching for what you have, and this Google Map Pack gets about 65%. So I'm going to go over 3 main things that will help get you to the top of the first page for your niche in your area. So the first thing is the content on your website. You're going to want about 1,500 to 2,000 words on your home page. And if I do something like this and copy everything here, throw it into a word counter, and this includes what the images are saved as, then you can see I have about 1,800 words on that home page. And obviously it is rich with keywords such as Tallahassee painters, and I can show you this here, that I use that word because it gets searched about 200 times a month, and it has a keyword difficulty of 1. So it's pretty easy to start ranking up there. There's a few different words that I used as well throughout that totaled 260 total searches in Tallahassee concerning painters every month. So if I can rank for those words and come up in this Google Map Pack or this number 1 seed organically, then I'm going to be getting about 50 to 65% of the 260 people that are searching for my service in my area. The next thing is backlinks. And what a backlink is basically one website linking to your homepage that passes power and relevance. And Google does pay attention to this. It's quite a bit. It's one of the more probably in-depth things that Google pays attention to. But I'm just using this tool called Ahrefs that I pay for each month, and it'll show me the back end of my website. As you can see, I have 311 backlinks for this website, and so it is getting quite a bit of power being passed to it. And this is the trust flow from Google. So 34 is pretty good. I'm working on getting these 2 numbers equal. So if it was 34 and 34, that would be perfect health, which is also going to help your website rank. So the third and final thing is citation. And what that is, that has to do strictly with this Google Map Pack here. And it's just the business name, business address, and business phone number placed on various directories throughout the web. And that makes it relevant to get put in this Google Map Pack here. And then it has all your information verified, and it's a lot easier and trusted by your consumers to get a hold of you. So I'm going to see if this is loaded yet. Let's see. So right now I currently have not put any citations down. There may be 1 or 2. I think it hasn't loaded yet. I haven't gotten to that point yet for this website because it is fairly new. However, I will show you my competitor down here, Superior Painting. Let me see if you guys can see that. They have 42 citations. So as you can see, they are ranking right there in the middle, and they have their website and directions. So obviously Google believes with those 42 citations that they are pretty relevant to these searches and these keywords. So that's how it works. I hope that this was informative and educational. I'll probably reach back out to you guys tomorrow about this same time just to get your thoughts and some feedback on the video. So I appreciate your time.